Welcome to Cunnekt, an official Meta business partner, helps businesses automate customer communication on WhatsApp. In this video, you'll learn how to sign up and activate your WhatsApp Business API account in a few simple steps. You can create your Cunnekt account in 2 easy steps. Go straight to app.cunnekt.com/register. Or visit the Cunnekt homepage and choose Sign Up to start. Now fill in your personal details for registration. Enter your full name, your business email, and your personal number. Create a strong password with at least 8 characters, including letters, numbers, and symbols, and then click Submit. Once the details are filled, an email verification prompt will appear. To finish signing up, check your inbox for an email from Cunnekt and click the Verify Email button. After that, you'll be taken to your Cunnekt dashboard. Your account is now ready to use. To start using Cunnekt, you'll need to activate a plan. Cunnekt gives you flexible plans. Choosing a yearly plan can save you up to 10%. Then review the Lite, Professional, and Premium plans to see which one fits your needs. Once you've chosen the plan that fits your business, select it and click Buy Now to move to the next step. Now enter your billing details, such as company name, address, city, country, state, and postal code. If you're a registered business in India, you can add your GST number. After filling everything in, click Complete Purchase. A payment screen appears with multiple options. You'll see preferred methods at the top. You can also use UPI/QR by scanning the code, selecting a bank account, or paying with cards. Choose your preferred method, complete the payment, and you're done. Once the payment goes through, you'll be redirected to your Cunnekt dashboard. Your plan is now active and ready to use. You're now ready to connect your WhatsApp Business API and start automating customer conversations, sending broadcast messages, and building powerful chatbots. If you need help with the next steps, check out more tutorials on our channel. Thanks for watching and happy messaging.